Hello, beautiful people. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today, this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete PicsArt video files on Android. So for this, you have to go to a gallery option or videos option app or photos app, whatever. Then go for here movies or your PicsArt file. Then just hold this here and you can tap on delete option here and again move to bin. So yeah, now it's deleted. This is how you can delete PicsArt video files on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.